Hello friend, welcome back. So in today's video, I will show you how to play Teri Deewani song on flute. So this is a easy tutorial video. You can get the notation from my WhatsApp and Telegram groups, links in the description. So let's move to the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Let's move to the video. So I'm using my double G flute today. You can use any flute that you have. Let's see how to play the first line, okay? And also, when you play this song, when you play ga and ni on this notation, you need to play komal ga and komal ni, E flat and B flat. So first line, pa 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 pada pada ma ma ni da. When you play ma ma ni da, you need to play komal ni, okay? Pa 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 pada pada ma ma ni da. Again, that line is for 2 times. So pa 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 pada pada ma ma ni da. Okay, that line is for 2 times. And then okay, ni da pa da pa ma ga ri ri sa re pa pa. Again, ni da pa da pa ma ga ri ri sa re pa pa. Okay, so you need to play both lines for 2 times to complete the first line of the song. I will show you. That whole part for 2 times. Okay, so next part. That line is for 2 times. Notes: ma da 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 pa pa ni da pa ma ga ma pa. Okay, ma da 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 pa pa ni da pa ma ga ma pa. That line is for 2 times. And then you need to play ma da 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 ni pa ni da pa ma ga ma pa. Okay, and then it's easy to play pa da ni ma pa da ga ma pa re ga ma. Again, okay, then sa ga re ni re sa da ni sa. Okay, and then Teri Deewani, ni da ma pa da ga ma pa. That line is for 2 times. Ni da ma pa da ga ma pa, ni da ma pa da ga ma pa. that's it. So that's it, guys. It was kind of easy, right? So you need to add alankaras and use some variations when you play this song to get the original feeling of the song. I didn't show you any alankaras and variations. I only showed you how to play the notations, and you can use any alankaras and try any alankaras and variations to get the feeling of the song. You can try it with your own variations and see if you can play it or not. And also don't forget to comment what you think about this video, and as well as if you have any problems, any questions about flute, you can comment. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, don't forget to play and practice. Keep playing, keep practicing, and let's meet in another video. Until that, bye bye. Thank you for watching.